Why don't you just meet me in the... Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erykah. You can call me Badu or E, whichever you please. And here on my channel, I make DIY tutorials like this one, as well as some fashion-related videos and some lifestyle videos. So, if either of those interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell too so you don't miss a beat. And if you'd like to connect with me more, keep the vibes going, keep the love flowing, you can follow me on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Depop, you know the one, and my Snapchat. But without further ado, let's make it do what it do. I got this netted utility fabric from Joann's. I believe it was $7.99. I got 2 yards, and I got these crystals from Walmart. All of those were about $3. I'm just taking my fabric and I'm like folding it hot dog style, so that I could have 2 layers when I do my cutting. I wanted the pants to fit snug, not too tight, not like leggings, but like tight leg pants. So I took these Adidas sweatpants that fit me really nicely, and I just used that as a template for the patterns. Now I'm going to cut with the crotch facing to the right, and then I'm going to cut them with the crotch facing to the left. That way you have 2 fronts and 2 backs, because like I said before, I folded my fabric double so that I could have 2 layers. Using the pieces that I cut out for the front, I'm just going to flip the crotch the opposite direction, and I'm going to use that to cut the other pieces. This way I have pieces that are very similar, almost identical. When doing this part, you want to take a back piece and lay it onto a front piece with right sides kissing, but with this fabric, right side, inside out, doesn't really matter. So I'm just lining up the crotch part. I'm just going to sew along the curved edge. These pins serve as a guideline to show you exactly the curved edge I was talking about, where I'm just going to sew along. After you've sewn along the curved edge, it should have something that looks like this. So now you see that we have the back part of the pants. Now I'm just going to take the other part that I have exactly like it and lay it on top with the right sides kissing. Now you can tell the right sides kissing because you have seams. And from there, you'll just sew all the way down both sides of the pants, as well as the inside along the crotch. for the waistband of these pants, I'm just going to remove the waistband off of an old pair of tights that I had and attach that to the pants. However, this was no easy feat. This was quite difficult. I thought it would be easy because it was elastic, it was stretchy, but that was not the case. So I just ended up doing some pleats in the front. So here I am, my brain is malfunctioning because I'm trying to figure out how to attach these tights that look appropriate. And on top of that, it's like 2 in the morning while I'm doing this. So I'm pretty exhausted, but I'm like, I want to get this done. So I figured out that I needed to fold the elastic down and put the pants inside. Then I realized that the pants actually need to be inside out, which you'll see me do shortly. It was also quite difficult trying to get the seams to line up perfectly along the waistband. So I would recommend making your own waistband instead of trying to take a shortcut and pull from some pair of tights. So I struggled with it, but I got it done. I wasn't gonna let it defeat me. After I accomplished the huge task of sewing on a waistband, I tried on the pants and they were too short, so I decided to do an extendo look on them, and I just cut out some rectangles that I would attach to the bottom. So this is what they look like after I've attached the waistband. That's the back, and then that's the front with the pleats. Now I'm just going to attach the extendo rectangles to the bottom. And finally, I'm going to take some well-utilized E6000 glue, and I'm just going to apply each crystal randomly. just like that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cosmic beings of the universe, we've come to the end of our video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and even comment what you want to see next. You know, all those goody ingredients. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to catch you in my next one. See you later.